Now is available at McCarthycars BMW 5 Series diesel 60 plate 2010 metallic grey. Car has front daylights, it's got front bi-xenon lights, got front headlight washer, front parking sensor, front fog lights, it's got sides camera, reversing camera, previous rear glass, it's got 18-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensor. Full black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation, 4-zone climate control, air conditioning, for electric window, it's got electric mirror, folding mirror, front auto headlights, electric seats. Car has reversing camera. It's got telephone, Bluetooth connection, multimedia, it's got aux connection, Bluetooth audio, auto start stop function, push button to start, 2-zone front, 4-zone climate control, air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox, central cup holder, multifunction steering wheel, speed limiter, cruise control. Thank you for watching.